In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Vansah with Jira, streamlining your software development and testing process. Whether you're part of an Agile team or managing complex projects, integrating Vansah into your Jira environment can vastly improve how you handle test management. Let's guide you step by step through this process. To get started, open your Jira environment where you typically manage your projects. On the left panel, you'll notice a section labeled Apps. This is your gateway to enhancing Jira's capabilities with various integrations this platform supports. Click on Apps and take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available here. Now, the next step is crucial. Click on Explore More Apps. This will take you to a marketplace where you'll find a plethora of additional functionalities you can incorporate into your Jira setup. The idea is to empower your team with tools that facilitate seamless project management. Here, we'll be zeroing in on one specific tool, Vansah. In the search bar of the app marketplace, type in Vansah. Almost like magic, upon hitting the search button, Vansah should appear in the results. Click on Vansah to delve into its dedicated app page. Here, you can not only see the app, but you can also get a comprehensive overview of its features, and perhaps even check out what other users have to say in the review section. This step is key in ensuring that the application meets your team's specific needs. Once you're convinced that Vansah is the right choice for enhancing your testing processes, it's time to install it. You'll see a button at the top right labeled Install. Clicking this installs Vansah directly into your Jira environment. If you're just taking it for a test drive, there's an option to try for free, also at the top right. This can be an excellent way to explore its functionalities without immediate obligation. After clicking to install or try for free, Jira will guide you through the necessary connection instructions. Pay close attention here. Following these steps accurately ensures that Vansah integrates smoothly into your Jira setup, ready for use by you and your team. These instructions are generally straightforward, but take your time to get it right. And there you have it. Setting up Vansah to work within Jira can significantly enhance how you approach test management. With Vansah integrated, test management becomes more efficient, giving your team real-time insights and control over testing progress and results. This integration not only saves time and effort, but can also contribute to higher software quality and faster releases, positively impacting your project's success. Be sure to explore all the features Vansah offers and leverage its AI-powered capabilities to generate test cases and requirements from documents and screenshots. This can be a game changer in maintaining quality and agility in your processes. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck with your newfound testing capabilities within Jira.